Hey everybody, Joey Mesa here, and in this video I'm going to give you the quick demonstration on how to install a new shift cable, one of these XO 1x11 speed shifters. So easiest, just before I unbolted the shifter actually from the little lever holder there that's on the handlebars, just a T25 and then a 3mm. You want to remove this little case here and so from there the cable will just, you have to kind of push it just a hair, but push it, try not to get that spring disengaged, and just slip it right out of the pocket and then slip your new one in. It's pretty simple. You know, it's a lot of folks are used to maybe like a Shimano where you just undo the plug and then there's a little hole, you just slide it through. But this one's, you pretty much have to, on most of these SRAM shifters, remove that little cover. So I replaced that shift housing also. You know, I've had some videos like this where viewers wanted to, you know, were bummed out because I didn't show how to hook up the cable and the derailleur and everything else. But, you know, I'm going to assume you know how to do that. If you were to take it off and get it to this point, the trickiest part is figuring out how to get this cable out of the shifter. So hopefully you found this part helpful. I do have several other videos as far as how to connect the derailleur and do everything else. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.